Hey guys! This is Esra from Islamic Illumination. I'm the one who makes all the art videos for this channel, and I'm sorry you haven't heard from me for a while, but hopefully with the remaining time of the year I will be posting few more videos about illumination and about painting the different styles of illuminations and so on. But in today's video, I'm gonna take you with me to my first ever studio. So I finally got some studio space here in London, which is quite difficult, but alhamdulillah, I've got some shared space that I can go to every day and create more art. Hence why I'm gonna do a bit more videos for you, because now I have the space for it. Don't have huge hopes for it, it's quite small, but I'm very excited about setting it up and making it slightly prettier. Let's go! Basically, this is how it looks from the outside, the studio. It's just renovated from factories and things. And this is my side of the studio, so I'm sharing it with two other people, but I have this side. And the shelves are up. Need to put some stuff on there and make it even prettier.